Experiencing a no-signal message on your Xumo TV can be frustrating. This common issue typically stems from a few specific problems that we can diagnose systematically. The three main causes are a loose or faulty HDMI cable, incorrect input selection on your TV, and HDCP handshake failures between devices. First, let's examine the physical connection. Your HDMI cable must be securely connected to both your Xumo device and your TV. To troubleshoot connection issues, try using a different HDMI cable and test different HDMI ports on your TV. This helps identify whether the problem is with the cable or a specific port. Next, verify that your TV is set to the correct HDMI input source. Many no-signal issues are simply due to the TV being on the wrong input. HDCP, or High Bandwidth Digital Content Protection, is a security protocol that can sometimes cause handshake failures between your Xumo device and TV, resulting in a blank screen. The most effective solution for HDCP issues is power cycling. Turn off both your TV and Xumo device, unplug them from power for about 1 minute, then plug them back in and power them on. Additionally, be aware that some Xumo boxes may enter standby mode or automatically shut off due to EU energy regulations. If your screen goes black, try pressing the home button on your remote to wake the device. By following these diagnostic steps, checking connections, verifying input selection, and power cycling when needed, you can resolve most common HDMI issues with your Xumo TV. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced solutions can resolve persistent HDMI issues. First, check your TV's HDMI compatibility settings. External devices like soundbars and gaming consoles can interfere with HDMI signals. Temporarily disconnect these devices to isolate the problem. Restart your Xumo device through its settings menu. Navigate to System Management, then Resets and Updates, and select Restart Device. As a last resort, consider a factory reset. However, this will erase all your data, settings, and installed apps. Only use this option when other solutions have failed. For audio problems with external speakers, adjust the digital audio output setting to PCM in your TV's audio settings. This resolves compatibility issues with optical and HDMI ARC connections. If these advanced solutions don't resolve the issue, contact Xumo support or your service provider for hardware diagnostics or replacement. Remember, never connect or disconnect HDMI cables while devices are powered on, as this can cause permanent damage.